Where are we?
On a mountain.
We're coming up out of Bland. We stayed last night. There was a big snowstorm. We stayed at the little, it's called the Big Walker Motel there in Bland. Split a room with RTK. It was just good to be out of the snow.
I got more new poles.
He got new poles. Again from Bubba.
My Lecky's broke.
The Lecky broke. Bubba was a really cool shuttle driver. He knew the area well. Nice guy, doesn't overcharge. He was cool. So we're hiking up this way in the snow. This first climb up out of Bland, I keep wanting to call it Atkins, I don't know why. This climb up out of Bland is very steep. But then the rest of our day today should be pretty mellow as far as terrain. We're headed to Jenny Knob Shelter, I believe. It's like 13 miles, so that's the plan.
Taking it slow because you had a big day yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday was 20.6, so we're going a little more mellow today. We're supposed to have blue skies. There's clouds and stuff up there, but it doesn't look like any more snow. So that is the plan. We'll see y'all up the way. It's weird.
Hey everybody! I just wanted to record for a little bit. Got some new trekking poles for free from our shuttle driver Bubba. He's pretty cool. He's an awesome guy. And it's a pretty good view around that way and a little bit that way. So yeah, that's what's happening. We're planning a short day tomorrow. I mean, a short day today and a short day tomorrow, because yesterday we did 20.6 mile slack pack, and we are just trying to let ourselves rest a little bit, not take it too hard. And we ran into Joker, or as I call him, Gramps, and which was really surprising. So I think we're going to be hiking with him in the next couple of days, and so that'll be fun. Catch y'all up ahead.
Hey guys, we're hiking up still out of Bland. It's a really nice hike out of there. Like, it's steep at first once you get to elevation, but after that it's just kind of a nice ridge walk. Anyway, I think Play by Play mentioned that there's a little outpost store right off the trail, and we ran into Joker, who we haven't seen since, like, I think the NOC. Yeah, I think the NOC. But, you know, we hiked with him in the very, very, very beginning, and we thought he was way ahead of us, but he took 3 zeros, and that's the way it works out here. So, Joker, it was great to run into you today. So I flipped the camera around because he said, "Oh, the beard's coming in nicely," and I realized that I haven't even looked or thought about it. So I guess that's what I look like now. It's not, the beard's not huge, but it's coming in. Anyway, still blue skies out there, awesome views. There's Play by Play coming up. Awesome views behind us. Beautiful sunny day. So anyway, catch you up the way. We just crossed a road. We're a few miles from the shelter. Play by Play noticed a blue cooler sitting in the woods. Huh. And we don't know what's there. Okay, he's saying it's nothing. It's just trash.
That's what it is. There's trash behind it, and then there's like maybe like an Oreo or like a cookie or something, and then a fan.
Wow. It's completely empty. Looks like it may have been trail magic at one point.
Told you it was trash.
Well, thank you to whoever left it. We are, what did we say from the shelter? 3.1. We're 3.1 miles from Jenny Knob Shelter, which is where we're staying tonight, and it's only, it's about 3. We'll probably get there around 4, which is kind of early, but there isn't really a logical place to press on to, so that is where we are headed. See you guys there.